Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Reviews, the channel where we dive deep into the cars you love, the ones you dream about, and sometimes, the ones you didn't even know you wanted. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Today, we're talking about something that's been stirring up a lot of excitement and speculation across the car community, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 sedan. Yes, you heard that right, a Corvette sedan. While it's still an unofficial concept, the idea alone is making waves. Let's get into what this four-door supercar might look like, how it could perform, and what kind of price tag it might carry. The Corvette name has always stood for American performance. It's a badge that screams speed, precision, and engineering excellence. Ever since the C8 debuted as the first mid-engine Corvette, Chevrolet has shown it's willing to take bold steps forward. Now, the rumors of a Corvette sedan bring a new chapter, one that could blur the line between supercar and luxury sports sedan. So, let's imagine what the 2026 Corvette C8 sedan could be. First, let's talk design. The concept images circulating online show a car that still wears the Corvette DNA proudly. Think sharp, aggressive lines, low stance, and sculpted air intakes, all translated into a sleeker, elongated body that can fit 4 passengers. The front end could carry the same angular LED headlights and the signature low nose, but the rear might be slightly raised to accommodate the longer chassis. The quad exhaust tips, wide diffuser, and taillight design would make sure no one mistakes it for anything other than a Corvette. The proportions would be fascinating. Imagine a silhouette similar to an Audi e-tron GT or a Porsche Taycan, but with that unmistakable Corvette edge. The roofline would slope gently towards the back, keeping a coupe-like profile while giving enough space for rear passengers. If Chevrolet decides to move forward with something like this, carbon fiber components and aluminum would likely dominate the construction to keep the weight as low as possible. Now, under the hood, or rather, behind the seats. Since the C8 platform already uses a mid-engine setup, the biggest challenge would be adapting that for a longer, four-door design. Most experts think Chevy would likely go for a hybrid setup. A 5.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 paired with an electric motor could produce somewhere around 700 horsepower combined. That would make it one of the most powerful sedans in the world, rivaling cars like the BMW M8 Competition, Mercedes-AMG GT63, and even the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid. There's also talk that Chevrolet might consider an all-electric variant under the Corvette name. If that happens, it could borrow technology from GM's Ultium battery platform, offering instant torque and a range of over 300 miles. The electric Corvette sedan could be GM's answer to the performance EVs dominating the market. Either way, the performance numbers would be nothing short of thrilling. Expect 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds for the top version. Inside, the cabin would probably be a mix of luxury and high-tech minimalism. Think of a cockpit that wraps around the driver with premium materials, suede, leather, carbon fiber, and brushed metal. A large digital cluster, a central touchscreen angled toward the driver, and racing-inspired seats would all be part of the package. But because it's a sedan, rear passengers would also get more comfort and legroom, maybe even their own climate control and infotainment screens. Let's talk pricing, because this is where things get interesting. The current Corvette C8 Stingray starts around $70,000, while the Z06 pushes past $110,000. A high-performance, four-door Corvette would likely start around $120,000 and go up to $180,000 or even $200,000 for the top hybrid or electric variant. That puts it right in competition with luxury super sedans, but still cheaper than some of its European rivals. Chevrolet's ability to offer exotic-level performance at a lower price has always been a key to Corvette's appeal. Performance-wise, expect handling to be razor-sharp, thanks to the mid-engine balance and adaptive suspension systems. The car would likely feature magnetic ride control, all-wheel drive, and advanced aerodynamics. Imagine a sedan that can take corners like a supercar but still carry your family or friends comfortably on a long drive. It could become the perfect blend of everyday usability and track-ready excitement. While all of this remains unofficial, it's not entirely unrealistic. GM has already confirmed it's expanding the Corvette lineup into a sub-brand, which means more Corvette-inspired models could be on the way. A sedan would be the logical next step, something to compete directly with the likes of Tesla's Model S Plaid or Porsche's Taycan Turbo. The Corvette name carries so much weight that even a concept like this gets people talking. So, what do you think? Would you buy a Corvette sedan? Do you think Chevrolet should actually make it, or should the Corvette name stay exclusive to two-door sports cars? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you all think about this bold idea. That's all for today's video on the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 sedan concept. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give this video a like and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Reviews for more updates, concept breakdowns, and detailed looks at the future of performance cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, right here on Auto Reviews.